Welcome back. So in lecture 5, I'm going to show you how to adjust volume. It's very important to be able to adjust your volume in every editing you do, because there are some parts in your video you want to be relatively silent and some parts you want higher volumes. For instance, I'm talking with my mic right about now. When I'm editing it, I might want to increase one part or reduce one part. So I'm going to be showing you a very simple way to do it by just importing audio from the audio library, just anyone I pick. So
Cheers, the two of us.
okay, so we have that. I'm just gonna import it. All right, add it to the timeline. As you can see, it's 100%. As you can see it here. So now I can do one or two things. I can just bring it into this timeline and then hit the volume, as you can see, and reduce it. I can make it a bit louder, which is not ideal, or I can reduce it totally. And as you can see, when I do that, watch this bar reduce, the bar is going to reduce. So I can do that totally, and it's going to reduce it. And now if I play it, so now you see it's reduced, and you can do that for any clip you have. It's not complicated at all. Trust me, this course is going to be one of the sweetest you watch. I'm going to make everything super easy to understand. Any step I will need to repeat, I will have to repeat it so that you understand it better. Remember, you can leave your comment and tell me how it's going so far so that I can keep providing quality for you guys. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to add background music from outside of Capcut. Okay, so let's go.